Ang dami kong isang kwento. Hello there guys! I miss you all so much. It's me again, MsHashJane Makeup, nagbabalik. For 2 months, I guess, or 3 months ako walang content. And a mega love shoutout to all of you. Na-miss ko kayo sobra-sobra. And sa channel members ko, mega love shoutout to you guys. Mamaya ko kayo isa-isahin sa ending ng ating video. So ayun nga, nagbabalik po ako ngayon para sa ating Foxy eye tutorial na napakadali. So easy na wala pa siguro 5 minutes matatapos nyo na. It is a hack, I can say, and I didn't expect na magagawa ko rin siya for myself because I have this kind of a hooded eyes na maliit lang. Hindi ako bagay mag-wear ng wing liner because nagmumukha lalo ako matara. Dahil nga sa eye shape ko, so bihira ako mag-wing liner. Ginagawa ko lang talaga siya kapag may event or something, but usually I don't wear wing liner. I was skeptical at first nung tinry ko tong Foxy eye look, but surprisingly, amazed ako kasi napakadali niyang gawin. And I'm so excited to share it with you all, especially to those medyo confused pa sa pag-blending ng mga eyeshadow shades. This is for you. Stay tuned until the end and magugulat kayo sa result na ganyan lang pala kadali. And maa-achieve nyo na ang ganitong eyeshadow or ang ganitong look. But before that, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa akin, please do hit the subscribe button with the bell all and like, and also please share my videos. So without further ado, let's begin! Stop my face. Ang kulang na lang is yung shadows natin. So we'll be needing the brown and the darkest color and some shimmery, I guess. And for the brushes, you'll be needing 3 different brushes, which is the smallest angle brush like this, and 2 different kinds of blending brush. For me, I'm gonna be using this Sigma and the Morphe blending brush. You can use the black shade or the darkest brown shade that you have. Remember that we need to make a graduation effect from darkest to the lightest brown of the color. Gagamitin natin yung dark shade niya. So first step, since we're trying to make a foxy eye look, so we're gonna be making a wing liner sa outer corner ng eyelid, like this one, and drag it down dito sa middle. Remember guys, this is so very easy. So since meron na tayo ditong naka-angled, I guess tama na sa akin tong angled na to, I'm gonna put down the brush and I'm gonna go with my blending brush and buff it out like this. Wala pa po ako nilalagay na shade dito sa blending brush natin. Binabuffer ko lang yung first shade na nilagay natin, which is the dark shade. So, nakikita niyo ba? And next, I'm gonna use this second shade natin. Second to the darkest shade. And yun naman yung ipapatong natin dito sa taas ng black shade. Sa line na nilagay niyo dito, make it sure na hindi kayo lalampas pag nagbe-blend kayo ng second shade na brown. So, susundan niyo lang siya pataas. And drag it down sa may malapit na sa gitna. Ang ganyan. Since kulang pa, dadagdagan ko pa. Something like this. Hanggang kalahati lang naman ito guys. Mas kulang pa ako sa black. Nagbalan ko pa yung black. Something like that. Kung meron kayong pencil brush like this, like ganito, mas makakatulong siya kapag gusto niyang i-buff yung black shade na nilagay niya sa wing nyo kaysa sa malaking blending brush. Kaya sorry, babaguhin ko. We'll be needing 4 brushes pala. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita niyo guys. And then, I'm gonna get my third brush. Doon naman ako sa lighter shade ng brown. Dito naman to sa may taas ng crease. Para magmukha siyang graduated na. Pag kulang pa sa inyo yung darkness niya, pwede nyo pang lagyan. Siguro ako okay na ako sa ganito. Di ba napakadali? And then, lalagyan ko lang ng eyeshadow yung ilalim. So, babalik ako dun sa ankle brush. But this time, I'm not gonna be using the darker tone. I'm gonna be using the second to the darkest. At iyan ang ilalagay ko dito sa waterline ko. Malapit sa waterline. And then, I'm gonna buff it again with my pencil brush. To make it more dramatic, I'm gonna be using the second blending brush that we used, and I'm gonna take a little amount of brown shade and we're gonna blend it dun sa dark shade na nilagay natin sa my waterline. Something like that. Para sa waterline natin, I'm gonna be using the brown shade of eyeliner. Something like that. And para naman sa upper waterline natin, I'm gonna be using a black, jet black eyeliner. Na which makaka-help to give an impact and a life to your eyes. Pwede na kayong matapos dito, or pwede kayong maglagay dito ng something shimmery or nude shade. For me, this time, ito na, gagamitin ko na si MsHashJane. Gusto kong i-try itong gold nila. Ayan, 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 ayan. This one, this one, this one. And I'm just gonna be using my finger. Again, tapos na to. Kung gusto niyo mag-stop na here, you can. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, you can put on your mascara, or kung mag-Foxy kayo, pwede na. Pwede na tong finished look nyo. But for me, and for the sake of this tutorial, para naman may twist tayo, is lalagyan ko nga ng sinabi kong gold shade. Which is dito lang, sa corner. And since mahaba yung kuko ng lola, hindi ko maabot yung pinaka-corner. Nagamit ko ako ng brush. So, this is from Huda Beauty. Spoolie something blah blah. Spoolie something blah. Ayan, spoolie something blah blah. And I'm just gonna blend it out like that. Can you see that? Ayan. Finish na yung gantong look. So, tapos na tayo dun sa eyeshadow natin. Just to finish this look, I'm gonna put my mascara, my Foxy, make my left eye, and then I'll be back. that's the finishing look of this easiest Foxy eye glam look. I hope you find it easy and madali kayo nakafollow dun sa tutorial na ginawa ko today kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated and sobrang dali. And nakita niyo naman, 3 steps lang tayo. 3 steps lang tayo. And the rest nun yung mga mascara and other things na. But for that specific eye look na ginawa natin, it is the most easiest eyeshadow hack that I've tested. And nagulat din ako kasi I have that hooded eyes. So at first, baka hindi bumagay sa akin kasi hooded eyes nga ako. But yeah, I love it. So, ayun nga guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo. And I'm glad to be back. Na-miss ko talaga mag-vlog ng ganito as in. And thank you so much guys for watching. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye!